Ready? And
Hi, namaste. I'm Didier, and I will share with you what Hatha Yoga has done for me for years. Hatha Yoga has kept my mind serene and content. So Hatha Yoga is a great practice, not just for the body, but it's very helpful to develop a quiet mind. It's also very good for developing an open heart, so your body becomes vital, vibrant, so you feel always energetic. And besides the benefit of the body in all sense of your joints, your ability to digest better, you develop a fire inside, the prana gets strong in your body. My teacher used to say, most people, it's not like their body is weak, they lack prana, they lack shakti. And when you do hatha yoga, you build that prana, that shakti in your being, and that's what makes you feel vital. So you become strong from the inside out. And for me, over the years, I started when I was a teenager, I realized how much my life has improved in all sense of my life. I have, I don't, I'm not so hard on myself anymore. I'm kind of always floating with the moment, and so Hatha Yoga really helped me to develop a sense of great contentment and joy. And of course, you find the love within your heart too, because you open your heart. So we will talk more about it when you come to practice. In the meantime, have a wonderful day and namaste.